Hi everyone, this is Rohit from Robosap.in and today we will be seeing how to interface PZEM-004T energy consumption or power monitoring module with ESP32. So as you can see, here we have PZEM-004T V4. So prior to this we have used V3. So this is the new version of PZEM-004T. So this is basically the same hardware with some modified hardware related components in compact form. If you see the V3 had a large yellow capacitor over here in addition to optocouplers as well as the discharge resistors. But in this version 4 they have used an IC and used a compact design for this particular module. So technically if you see, the libraries and code which are written for V3 should exactly work in a similar way for this V4 version as well. So first we will see the connections. Here we have the PZEM-004T. Here we have connected it to the 60 watt AC load over here. The CT coil is connected to one phase wire of that particular AC load. Here we have ESP32. We have used 30 pin ESP32 shield. PZEM-004T is a serial device, so we will be interfacing it with the serial 2, that is serial port 2 of ESP32, that is 69, pin number 6917. LCD display also we have used 2004 LCD display over here. So it is interfaced with pin number 21 and 22, that is I2C pins of the ESP32. Now we have already uploaded the code. We will give it the power supply. So I will be powering via USB port. So once powered, here you can see it is showing PZEM error, no response, please check the wiring. So it is showing in that way because we have not connected the AC supply yet. So these modules, they are going to work only if the AC supply is connected. So if you look towards the PZEM model, so it has got two LEDs over here, which is nothing but your D3 and D2 over here. So in this case only the D3 LED it is blinking, but D2 LED is not blinking. So here it is trying to communicate, here ESP32 it is trying to communicate with the PZEM model, but it is not getting any response from this particular sensor because we have not connected to the AC supply. So suppose you get such problems wherein you are not getting the output, or it is showing that no response or any such kind of messages coming from the sensor or library, whichever you are trying to use, first check whether you have connected the AC supply. Second thing is the TXRX module. So even if you connect the TXRX module in the reverse, in that case also it is going to give the similar kind of error. Now once we have connected, what we will do is we will try to power up the system. So we will connect it to the AC supply. So now I have connected to the AC supply. So once I have connected to the AC supply, so here, so it has started showing the readings. So voltage 228, here current 0.26 ampere, power I have already told you that we are connecting a 60 watt load, so it is showing the power correctly over here. In addition to that, energy consumption, frequency as well as power factor. So one thing you will have to remember, for this thing it is mandatory to connect the AC supply, else you are not going to get the readings from this PZEM model. So link to purchase all the components can be seen in the description of the video.